Oh, dude, I shot. I swear to God, I shot. Fuck. GG. Wait, they're different teams. No. Oh my God. In the end, it worked out. Dude, there was two teams, man. This guy, like, made me not be able to push. Fucking bastard. Oh my God. Hey, I was excited when I got my first PlayStation 2. Well, when we got it, I guess. Oh, my dad finally caved in because he could play like some fucking sports game where you drive like motorcycles racing. Holy moly, bro. All of them with the shotties. Tomb Raider. Can I head stew about swamp? What the hell is she having? For me, it was Need for Speed Underground, the first one, and Most Wanted. Those are the ones I played. A little bit of Carbon as well. I didn't play too many racing games though. I was not really into that. Played it now and then. Master Clue already investigated? Aww. $1,000, yippee! I'm gonna go down to the Hellborn and get a Relentless. On my solos, all I've been getting from Hellborn is Relentless, and it's just so useless. It hurts my soul. Oh my god, a Pro Skater? Dude, I think I played... No, I didn't play Pro Skater. I played Underground. Tony Hawk Underground. That game was fucking insane, bro. We would make our own park and do the one where, like, you, like, have to paint it like your color. It was blue versus red. I mean, my brothers. So good. So fucking snud. Yeah, San Andreas. We played San Andreas co-op on PlayStation 2. I was always the big grocery guy. Rampage. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude, I was actually scared of the like the opening one where like there's a skater that stands upon like a sewer lid and he like falls down and this zombie like pulls him down and fucking eats him. It's actually scary. You went around and did missions around like the little town. We got all the dynamites. Big dynamite bundle, and dynamite stick. Daddy, mommy, baby. I wish the skins you have would like apply to the pickups in the world. Like, there's no way I'm gonna bring in dynamites, you know? Like the regular dynamite stick. I didn't do it, bastard. Gorshit. My name is Gorshit and I am important. I'm gonna run around. I think I am the best mod. Yeah. My name is Gorshit and I never shut up. I never shut up. I never shut up. Gorshit, hello. I heard you quit Hunt. Gorshit, thank you, dude. How you doing, my friend? Ammon's go. Let's see what all the fuss is. I got angry.